What's going on, everybody? It's your girl Chanel Stevens, and I'm back again with another video. And in this video, I'm gonna literally show you how to make your very first conversion with Max Bounty. If you're somebody who hasn't made any money with CPA marketing yet, hasn't generated their first conversion, this video is for you. This is also for people who maybe generated conversions within CPA marketing, but maybe you took some time off. Maybe you haven't made conversions in a while. Maybe you haven't set up a CPA marketing campaign in a while. So what I want you to do is get back in the game. I want to show you how easy and simple this is. As you can see, this is going to be using Zero Park as the traffic source, and I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to get the most out of the Zero Park traffic source so that you're able to make your very first conversion. As you can see, this campaign was accepted about 9 hours ago, 2:15 a.m. in the morning, and it's already generating me conversions, guys. As you can see here on volume, I was able to send a little over 150 clicks, and I was able to generate my first conversion. So right now we're at negative 54% ROI, which is perfect for a beginning campaign, guys. Not every campaign is going to start off profitable, and I know I've said that in past videos if you're not new to this channel, but this is how you begin your CPA marketing journey, because every campaign is going to take a little bit of optimization. So if you could be down just negative 54% ROI, that means somewhere within this campaign is already profitable. So I want to show you guys, I have my source selected right here in my reports and also some browsers, and I just want to show you guys how I'm able to find pockets of profit already within this campaign. So as you can see, this source ID is already converting. So I'm literally giving you everything you're going to need in this video. So I mean, you could take this as like a done for you type of campaign video. So everybody's out there struggling with picking offers and stuff. I literally want to give you the offer that I was using, and that is right here on Max Bounty, this servo earn with survey single opt-in offer. Like I said, single opt-in offers are my bread and butter. I love generating conversions with lead offers. I feel like they're the best for newbies. Is where I got my start, is where I was most successful. So guys, I'm literally giving you everything. The only thing with this offer is you need to follow the offer rules, and there will be a 200 lead cap for quality, right? So once you send those 200 leads, it'll let you know, all right, if you can keep running the traffic source or not. I haven't run it for 200 leads, so I'm not sure on the quality, guys, but I just know that it's already making me money, right? So you'll just select mobile ads here because I'm using Zero Park. So Zero Park is a mobile traffic platform. You can do desktop with it, but I think I selected in this campaign. Let me actually see what I selected. Yeah, I selected mobile only, so I'm not running this on desktop. And I selected United States as a US offer. And I also selected the Facebook browser. Now, why did I select the Facebook browser as my browser type? Because as you can see, there's a bunch of different browser types that you could select. I could have just selected all, but I kind of went more optimized for this campaign only because, guys, this is basically a cheat code to using Zero Park. People that are using the Facebook browser are basically on the Facebook app already. They have Facebook downloaded. So it's basically free Facebook ad traffic through Zero Park, right? I hope you guys catch what I'm saying here. So that's what I did on all these campaigns. I selected the Facebook browser. So as you can see, the Facebook app is where this traffic is actually coming from. So if you don't have a Facebook ad account, or you don't want to have to go through worry about getting your ad account banned on Facebook, and or maybe you've already been banned on Facebook and you can't get access to another Facebook ad account, I have resources inside my academy if you're not sure on how to get access to more Facebook ad accounts. But let's say you don't have access to a Facebook ad account right now, this is a great way to get like Facebook traffic for very, very cheaply. As you can see, I'm only paying 0.3 cents a click, right? So 3-cent clicks from Facebook. So you can see I sent 11 visits, and that generated me $2. The offer pays out $2, and this only cost me 33 cents to generate this conversion from this source ID. But of course, I had to test different sources. But what I want to do is keep testing these sources out, and maybe the ones that aren't costing me a little more, like this one that I spent $1.83 but didn't get any conversions. So I would go on Zero Park and I would blacklist this source right here because it's not generating me any money, and I already spent $1.83 on this actual source. So I don't want to keep doing that. Same with this one, $1.23. So you can set the cap. I like to do sometimes 2 to 3 times the payout. The payout is only $2, so I could keep running this to about $4 to $6. But right now I can make money within 33 cents. So I want to just test many different sources instead of like these sources, and maybe if I need more traffic or something, I can add those back later, give those a little more budget as I build this campaign up. But I basically just want to show you guys the process of CPA marketing and how I'm able to do what I do, how I was able to generate this first conversion that fast. And this is all you guys need to do. You can target United States, non-adult, mobile, Facebook browser, right? And also, you don't have to use volume. I usually use my BMob account as a test account, but BMob is free. You can set up a campaign like this for free. You don't even have to spend the $200 a month for volume. I don't have anything set up with BMob because I actually use volume. I understand volume was a little expensive, so BMob is perfect for setting this up. So what you want to do is you want to come in here, you want to add your affiliate network. Adding Max Bounty is really simple. You just want to go to new from template, search Max Bounty, and BMob will pop it up right here. I like to append my click IDs manually, so I'm not going to append it. Your postback URL is right here. So you'll just copy this and you'll put this inside of your global postback settings and your settings in Max Bounty. And you just save that, and then you'll add your traffic source, right? So you go into traffic sources, you'll do new from template, and you just see if they have zero park, which they do. So you'll just select zero park, and this is going to be your traffic source settings right here. So what you want to do is replace this with your ID number from zero park. So you'll come to zero park inside your settings. You'll see like your postback settings and stuff. You'll replace that and you'll put this postback URL inside of zero park, right? So that's literally all you got to do to add your traffic sources and everything. You'll come in here, you'll add the offer. After that, you'll select new, and you'll just build out the offer right here from Max Bounty. So you'll build your tracking link, mobile ads, raw link. You can generate your sub ID by just adding something right there. Copy the link. You'll drop that into BMob. And right here, you just put your click ID so that everything is, all your clicks are tracked and conversions are tracked, everything like that. You select your affiliate network, Max Bounty. So you'll say Servio, I think that's what it's called, if I'm not mistaken. Select your country too, so they can pop that up. So it's gonna be United States, Servio. You can say single opt-in, SOI for single opt-in, and you'll just save that. And that's pretty much your offer link right there. So after you have all that added, guys, you don't have to worry about adding a landing page, making ads, anything like that. You're literally ready to just set up the campaign and drop your campaign link right here inside of Zero Park. These are your settings. You're going to do United States, non-adult, mobile, and just make sure you select the Facebook browser. And literally, guys, I'm giving you everything you need to basically be successful with this type of campaign. You don't even need to basically spend any like large sums of money. I think you do have to deposit at least $100 within Zero Park to start running traffic on their platform. I think that's like their minimum deposit. But once you have that accepted and your deposit in there, all you have to do is set up this campaign and start running the traffic, generating conversions. We can see so far where we at. So it looks like it spent a little bit more so far. It's still not sending more clicks from this source. If I wanted to generate more traffic from this source ID, all I would have to do is come make a new campaign within Zero Park. Instead of selecting run of network, what I would do is select source as my targeting, my campaign type, and then put the target, put the source ID right here under source. And that's how you can basically make a whitelist campaign. So for all your conversions, you want to just have a source campaign for all your converting sources so that you're able to generate more traffic from those actual sources. Because if you don't, it'll just probably generate traffic from these sources that aren't really converting for you. And you can do $2 max before you turn it off. You can do 50 cents. $1. Like, it's going to be up to you and your budget on how you want to optimize, how what you feel is significant. Like I said, I like to do at least 2 to 3 times on the usual, but because I'm seeing that it's converting at a 9% conversion rate on this, what I would do is I would just pause these ones that like $2, $1.50. I would even probably pause like this one at $1.23, only because I just feel like I want to test out way more targets with this offer, right? And I think this offer on Max Bounty is not even just with United States. So you can set this up with many other countries as well. It's a really good way to just get started with affiliate marketing, get started with Max Bounty, get back in the game, start optimizing, start running traffic. So this could just be like the beginning steps for you to set up more campaigns with Max Bounty, test out more offers, test out different traffic sources. I just want you guys to take CPA marketing very seriously this year. It's a great way to earn money. It changed my life, and it can definitely change your life. You just have to be serious and you have to put in the work. But I'm literally giving you a way to where I took all the work out of it for you. All you got to do is pretty much just follow along with this video and you'll literally see results. Okay, guys? So that's all I got for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Go out there. If you don't have BMob, get your BMob account, get your Zero Park account, get it loaded up with some funds, start your CPA marketing journey, get your very first conversion, and come back to this video. Let me know how it did. Let me know if you got your conversions. If you want to try this with any other offers, you can. This is just the offer that I set up that got results for me. So, I mean, you could do what I did, or you can do your own thing. It's up to you, but I'm just showing you guys how simple and easy it is, because I literally set this up like last night and this morning it got accepted and it's already getting me results. I'm already seeing pockets of profit within this campaign. Just follow along with my technique where I said get the traffic from the Facebook app. It's kind of like a cheat code. It's kind of like basically free Facebook ad traffic, right? Without having to run Facebook ads and set up, you know, different ads and risk your ad account for offers like this, right? Because this is like a make money online type offer. They are putting like dollar amounts, earn up to 300. So Facebook probably wouldn't allow this type of lander. You wouldn't be able to direct link and stuff like that. You have to buy a domain. You literally don't have to do any of that stuff, guys. You don't have to buy domain hosting. Is no barrier to entry with this. So it's really no excuse why you can't make money with Max Bounty with CPA marketing after this video. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you need any extra help, of course, my private coaching is available. Of course, my academy is only available through my private coaching. So check out that link if you're interested in getting inside my academy and getting some one-on-one coaching with me. All right, guys, so I'll see you in the next video. All right, peace.